What's going on, guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital. We're here with Morgan Lekstrom, CEO of HAMR Mining. Nice to have you back, Morgan. How are you doing today?
I'm fantastic, Aaron. How are you?
Well, I'm great. So, you've been on very recently, but can you give us an update, since we last spoke?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, last time we talked, it was about our results from Silverton, and I'm really excited about our results coming out from Eliza, and I'm sure we'll talk more about that. And then all the catalysts happening at Silver Hammer before Christmas and after Christmas. We're really excited for the trajectory of this company right now.
Yeah, definitely. We're gonna have you back on real soon. So today, like you said, we're talking all about your high-grade assay results from Eliza. Can you tell us more about this?
Absolutely. It's really encouraging that our initial assay results were 1,540 and 1,410 grams a ton silver. But one thing we noticed in those results was this copper, lead, and zinc percentages, and all the way up to just under 7% copper, 6.88% copper. Those are huge copper numbers. So as we sampled and kept sampling the areas, and you see it in the release on the map, every one of our samples had a copper number to it. And I mean, all the way up to another 5%, 4.8 to 5% copper, 450 grams a ton silver. You put those numbers together, we think it's just this outer expression of what's called a blind porphyry copper system, as well as a silver system. So this is not only exciting, but it's getting interesting at Eliza. So we're looking forward to drill targeting soon.
Definitely. So one second. Definitely. So, these results also included, like you said, some pretty impressive copper findings. Did you expect this? And, what does this mean for the company?
Yeah, we didn't. We expected that we were hoping that they were there because the initial samples had pretty good copper numbers, like I said, that's 7%. Mm-hmm. And then every single one of our samples that was over 150 grams a ton silver had multiple percentages of copper. There was one sample that had 15% zinc. Like, those are not small numbers. Those are very, very large copper, lead, zinc, and silver numbers. So no, we didn't expect it. Were we pleasantly surprised? Bet your butt we were. We were really surprised to see that and happy to see that. That makes this a potentially very large asset.
Yeah, that's amazing. So what are the next catalysts for Silver Hammer that we should be looking out for?
So we just these results from Eliza. We'll be talking about that more. We're doing hyperspectral imaging on Eliza and potentially drill targeting and permitting here in the very short future. So we'll be running a number of programs out there now that we are getting numbers like this, as well as we just wrapped up drilling at Silver Strand. So as the assay results trickle in, we're going to be talking about those. We're really excited that we wrapped up our program in such a short time. We were able to get an underground program done in a matter of months. From getting this asset to drilling it to completing the program, you're talking months. That includes permitting. This is how we move as a company. We tell people we're going to do stuff, we execute on it, and we drive forward. And we're excited to get those results to market once we start getting them.
Yeah, I'll be excited to talk about them as well. So can you give us some updates on your drilling at Silver Strand?
Absolutely. We just wrapped it up. 100% safe, no incidents. Everything's been demobilized. It's heavily snowed in up there now, which is great. So we shut down the mine till after Christmas. And then as we get the results in, we're going to be talking about them. We're going to be modeling them and coming up with new drill targets, as the results tell us. So it's an exciting time as a company to be 6 months old, getting results from all three of our properties, and hopefully, that Silver Strand results as well. So to have 3 properties that have this much potential, you don't get these opportunities often.
Yeah, exactly. So thanks a lot for all those updates, Morgan. It's always a pleasure, and we'll definitely have you on very soon to cover all of your upcoming results and news. Best of luck.
Thanks, Aaron. Talk to you soon.
If you like these videos, kindly hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. Drop us a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. And finally, always remember, Departures Capital is for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. Furthermore, this video may or may not have been sponsored by the companies that we've profiled within this video, and we may or may not own shares of any of the profiled companies in this video. If you want to know the full disclosure details, check the description down below along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.